I'm so excited. We're here at Kohls, and Advisors Excel just does this amazing job with taking 5 to 10 students from every school in the district, and they just let them shop. These are students who may have had challenge. They're students who may not have had an opportunity, and they just get a chance to spend the day with an AE employee and just be treated extra special.
Today is a really good day. We're shopping with kiddos from Topeka Public Schools. This is one of our most favorite events. It's just great to give back. Our staff really enjoy getting to know kids and helping them find things, and it's just important for us to give back to the community and spread love and joy and make people feel good.
I got some stuff from my sister. And I got a chain because I got picked for something. And I got the kid bag. At first I was kind of thinking they was gonna pick it out for me, but then when they asked what did I want, then that's when I started getting ready for them. I was a little scared, but then I got braver.
Thank you, Advisor Excel.
Thank you, Advisors Excel.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Advisor Excel.